Grandma took your toy away. You got to go get it. All the way over here. Right here.
Need to put it on a string.
Now, Dad, say don't put it on string. What do you think I am?
Like a donkey and a carrot.
I'm not a donkey. Hi, sweet Ava.